My kids had a lot of fun putting together these tiny gingerbread houses, and one thing I love about this kit is it is two completely separate sets in the same box, so the kids had the exact same amount of all the candies and frostings to put on their houses. Now this set recommends decorating the houses while they're flat and then putting it together, and that was really easy for my kids, and it definitely helped on preventing things from sliding down. Once my son was finished decorating his, I started to put it together, and I love that they could both operate on their own timeline and just have a great time. Now, I would say the best part about this kit are the gingerbread house pieces themselves, and that you get a little gingerbread man and a tiny Santa. Past that, I would actually recommend adding some more frosting and probably some different candies to really mix it up and make it a higher quality set. I would say that the frosting had a slightly funny minty smell and didn't taste the best, though it is just sugar. Same with the candies. Not super high quality, but really fun to decorate, and my kids had a blast, which is all that really matters to me. So if you're looking for a super simple matching set, this is a solid option.